Friends, how to use UPSC Civil Service coaching? At Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, we are launching a new batch for UPSC coaching offline at Hyderabad Ashok Nagar and Vijayawada Ben Circle branch. Also, same classes can be accessed online. However, I would like to tell you how best you can use this civil service coaching and what things you have to do as an aspirant in order to make the best out of it. Firstly, we are conducting the classes with highly expert faculty who refer several sources and come to the class and explain a concept in the best possible way. The only way you can make use of it is make the notes, either running notes or dictated notes out of it, and revise the notes regularly. And if you want to follow any additional sources, better speak to the faculty and understand whether additional source is really of use or not. Also, as the same classes that you are attending offline, you can access online also. So the missed classes, better you listen online, and the classes which you think are difficult or you felt the classes are complex, those classes listen to them again and again in the online to make the best use of it. Secondly, there will be regular interaction with UPSC toppers of last few years, either our students or anybody else who take classes only to explain their strategy, the mistakes they might have done in their previous attempts. And the best way to make use of these guest lectures by the toppers is that identify few points in the topper strategy that are close to your heart, that you think will suit with your background, preparation style and attitude. Try to combine the points from different toppers and make a unique package or preparation style that suits you the most. At the end of the day, you have to prepare a strategy for yourself that suits you the most. Thirdly, we have mentorship also. As a part of civils coaching, every 10 students will have a mentor who is actually one of the faculty member. The mentor's role is that he has to give you a weekly, a monthly schedule, monitor your progress, evaluate your papers and give feedback to you and clear the doubts. However, only few students I observed are able to make use of this mentorship program very well. Very few students are open about their preparation. They regularly interact with the mentors, and I suggest everybody to interact with mentors regularly, ask your doubts, whatever books you are studying, material studying, show those books to the mentor and tell them how fast or how slow you are reading. If you are facing problem with any particular subject or current affairs or answer writing or prelims or solving objective questions, whatever, discuss them with the mentor. It does not mean that for every problem he will give solution, but because of discussion, sometimes you find solution to your own problem, and sometimes the mentor, because of experience and because he or she has seen many aspirants in the last few years, can definitely tell you what suits you the most. Coming to the weekly exams. At our academy, we conduct weekly and monthly prelims as well as mains exam. One reason is that exam writing practice is essential in the present UPSC pattern, because in the prelims, out of 100 questions in the paper 1, general studies, not more than 40 questions any candidate can know for sure. The remaining 60 questions, at least 50 or 40 questions you have to guess using your common sense, elimination techniques or guessing out of the information you already know beforehand on the same topic. And this quality of skillful guessing or elimination, you are using common sense, can develop only if you write multiple exams sincerely. And after writing every prelims exam, weekly exam as a monthly exam, after writing every exam, you have to go through the paper, analyze where you have gone wrong and strengthen the weak areas, and analyze where your guessing went wrong and try to understand how you have to evolve your guessing style. And you have to compare your answers with the peer group, with your friends. Discuss with them how they have guessed, how they use the common sense or elimination methods. Learn from them. Even the mains answers also, you have to learn the time management, how to write effective answers, draw diagrams, put side headings, write introduction, good conclusion, throwing some facts here and there, writing the reports and data. You have to see the toppers paper in your class, learn the best practice from the toppers, get the we evaluated mains papers, take our feedback seriously, write every weekly and monthly exam seriously. See, we are giving the best questions in the weekly, monthly exams. Our questions are just like the UPSC. We follow the same pattern, same level of difficulty. Though we give you the best questions, though we are evaluating the papers, it's your responsibility to make use of it sincerely. Another reason for keeping weekly, monthly exams is that I believe that weekly revision and monthly revision is very important to consolidate and remember everything and keep it going till you crack the examination. So revise sincerely. We give material for every subject. Our expert team has made books on every subject which are generally enough for every candidate. However, if you want to refer any additional book, only go through additional points or chapters that are not there in your material, but don't go through too many books as it makes it difficult for you to consolidate, revise. We give daily and monthly current affairs. We give current affairs directly or indirectly through the questions. For example, we give 20 prelims questions and 3 mains questions every day on the current affairs. And the answer explanation for those 20 prelims questions and model answers for those 3 mains questions will cover all the current affairs of the day. However, I suggest you that though we are giving the best current affairs material daily, I suggest you to read newspaper, because newspaper will broaden your understanding, will give you additional information, will increase your reading speed, which is important for the prelims paper too. Also, only if you read the newspaper, you will become more analytical. You will be able to write mains answers analytically. And in the prelims also, your guessing ability increases if you read newspaper. And it helps you in the essay writing also. And also, in the interview, personality test, you will be able to tell better opinions or able to give logical answers only if you read newspaper. So though we provide the best kind of material, it's responsibility to read the material we are giving along with the newspaper daily. And the most important thing is CSAT. At Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, in the 10 months of UPS Civils coaching that we are giving you, CSAT is a part of it. Because in the last 5 years, several candidates are failing in the paper 2 prelims. For example, this year, in the recent prelims, out of 6 lakh candidates who applied for the examination, only 83,000 students qualified in the CSAT. And their papers, paper 1 was corrected. Of course, now the competition has fell down. Out of 83,000, 10,000 students selected for the mains exam. Hence, CSAT plays a crucial role. Don't neglect it. Even if you are from maths background, don't neglect CSAT. Though we have the best faculty for CSAT, though we explain all the concepts in the class, we make you solve limited questions in the class. And more questions, your responsibility to solve it in your home. If you think you are weak in CSAT, you have to collect more questions and solve more questions. See, it's not required to purchase more books and read more material, but it's required to solve more questions beyond what our institution is giving you. Friends, we are trying hard to provide the best faculty, best material for your subject, best current affairs, best mentors to clear doubts and give feedback to you and monitor you. And we are trying to keep weekly, monthly exams, giving the best question papers. Though we are doing all these things in the best possible way, according to me, it's only 20%. 80% is your effort. What I explained, how to make use of the class by making the running notes, how to make use of mentor, how to make use of weekly exams, and making use of the online classes. So only if you do these things sincerely, you'll be able to get a rank. All our old students, as we have got several ranks in the last few years, what I observed is most of the rankers, 80% is their effort, their strategy, their unique preparation style that brought them, that made them a ranker. So I hope you will make use of the civil service coaching that Sarat Chandra IAS Academy is giving, both offline and online, and you have to succeed with flying colors. All the best.